In today's world, we are transitioning from traditional fossil materials like crude oil and natural gas to newer, eco-friendly materials. At Same Chemicals, we help you on this journey by providing bio-based styrene through a simple method called the mass balance approach. Here's how the mass balance approach works. Think of it as a system where traditional and green materials are mixed together. The final product is then allocated as conventional or bio-based based on the percentage of green materials used as feedstock. This way, we can accurately tell how much of your styrene is bio-styrene. Now let's delve into the 3 different types of green materials. Bio-based raw materials come from natural sources such as plants or animals. Circular materials are traditional materials that have been recycled. Bio-circular materials originate from natural sources and are recycled, like used cooking oil. At Same Chemicals, we make buying bio-based styrene easy for you. We are ISCC Plus certified. ISCC is a globally recognized sustainability certification system aiming for a world where raw materials are produced sustainably. Following the guidelines of ISCC, we allow you to choose the amount of bio-styrene you want without having to separate it from traditional styrene. Imagine a truck filled with 28 metric tons of product arriving at your place. With Same Chemicals, you can decide how much of that is bio-styrene and how much is regular styrene, whether it's 3 metric tons or 6 metric tons of bio-styrene, all from the same truck. The ISCC Plus system allows us to keep track of your choice. Whether you aim to buy bio-based styrene to meet customer demand, follow new regulations, or achieve your sustainability goals, Same Chemicals is here to assist you.